Composing an email template in FluentCRM is just as easy as writing a blog post. Yes, there is nothing to worry about responsiveness anymore. Let's start. From FluentCRM dashboard, hover over to the emails. Choose email templates from the drop-down and click Create New Template. Before composing your email, you need to give the template a suitable title so that you can identify it afterwards. It's only for internal usage. Give an attractive email subject and pre-header, which are essential to make the recipients open your emails. Choose your email's design and style by clicking the tiny gear icon of the email body. You can change your template's body background color, content width, content background color, footer text color, default link color, content family, and headings font family. Enabling or disabling the default email footer is also possible. Click Update Settings when you're satisfied with your template's styling settings. FluentCRM gives you 4 basic template styles. You can use Simple Boxed to compose simple boxed emails, Plain Centered to compose a centered aligned email, Plain Left to compose a left aligned email, Classic Editor to write or import raw HTML. We will design a plain centered email for now. To check the available blocks, click the plus button. We have paragraph, heading, list, classic, table, verse, image, buttons, columns, group, row, stack, spacer, product block, conditional section, custom HTML, and RSS block. First, add headings to your email template. Modify the font size, color settings, and advanced typography from the right sidebar. Let's set up a welcome email. Unlike other email composer, FluentCRM provides with blocks. To check the available blocks you can use on your email template, just hit the plus button. You can also use contact properties to personalize your email for the recipients. To do so, simply press Add button on your keyboard and your contact properties will appear. Choose what you want to add and paste it. Now, let's add content to the email body. Use the paragraph block to add simple text paragraphs. Adjust the font size, color settings, text settings, and typography of your paragraph from the right sidebar. Add relevant links, utilize text alignment, bold crucial terms, or italicize if necessary. You can also use the image block to add images. Upload an image from your WordPress media library or upload one from your computer. From the right panel, change the image style, settings, and spacing easily. Let's add and design a beautiful CTA button with the button block. Write something inside the button. Change the button style, color settings, border settings, width settings, and link settings from the right sidebar. If you're using WooCommerce, you'll see a product block. This block allows you to fetch WooCommerce items automatically. Finally, click the I button to check if your email looks fine. If not, you can always edit your email template. That's it. When you're done with the body content, click Create Email Template from the top right, and your template will be ready for use. Create attractive email templates that look well on mobile and desktop platforms. And use FluentCRM to send high-converting marketing emails to your audience. For more videos like this, stay tuned to WPManageNinja.